I could have literally stood there, sat there for like 20, 30 minutes, just like watching them, just thinking like, I wonder what's going through their head right now. Like, oh, a storm's coming, a storm's coming. I gotta like get the house ready. I gotta get the house ready, Or like, are they all one big family living in that birdhouse? Or are they just like a whole bunch of different neighbors? Is that like a little bird community? Or is that just one big family? These are the thoughts that are going through my head when I am watching birds.